Here we are, A minor 7. So that means first finger bars the first fret, and we use the third finger to make that minor 7 shape. Here we go. We may hit it and quit. Okay? Whole notes are our goal to let it ring out through the entire measure. It's okay if we just hit it once and shake it out. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. Land on 1. Always landing on 1. 3, 4. 2. Hear all 6 strings ringing freely. 2, 3, 4. 2. Shake it out if you need to. You will build the strength. You will. 2, 3, 4. This is what we're after too. Hear it ring? All 4 beats. That's a whole note. 3, 4. A whole note takes up the entire bar with sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. But for now, you need to give your hand a rest. Please, give your hand a rest. 3, 4, 1. We're landing on 1. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3,